How to restore deleted WhatsApp messages without backup. No root. Lost WhatsApp messages without a backup. Hi, welcome back to UltFone YouTube official channel. In today's video, we will show you how to restore WhatsApp messages on Android without backup. UltFone Android Data Recovery Software is a professional WhatsApp data recovery software to recover deleted WhatsApp chats and attachments from Android devices. It can retrieve your WhatsApp chats in different scenarios like accidental deletion, after update, etc. Other solutions in the market can help you recover deleted WhatsApp data from Android, but they all request you to root your device. Now you can perform WhatsApp data recovery on Android without root available. UltFone Android Data Recovery supports a wide range of Android brands including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, LG, Sony, etc. Install this program and select Recover WhatsApp Data on the main interface. Follow the steps below to get started. Step 1. Connect your device to computer with original USB cable. Step 2. You'll need to enable USB debugging option to make device detected by computer in the program. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue. After enabling USB debugging, you'll receive an authorization prompt on your phone screen. Please click OK in the prompt window. Should you not receive the authorization prompt, click Show again on the program. Step 3. Now, your device is connected successfully. Click Start button to scan lost photos in your device. After you click Start button, you'll receive a prompt to remind that you have to log into WhatsApp account in your device. Otherwise, you will not be able to find any lost data. Notes: 1. Prior scanning WhatsApp data, we suggest that you make a new backup of your WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp on your phone and go to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, Backup to Google Drive, and then Never. Click Backup and wait for the backup to complete. 2. After you click Backed Up, continue. This program will start scanning WhatsApp data in your device. Please do not disconnect the device in the whole process. The device may restart midway. Just wait patiently and respond accordingly to the prompt window if have a few minutes or about. Click Backup My Data that prompts on your device. If you don't see this prompt on your device, click Show again on the program screen to activate the window. Now the program will start scanning WhatsApp messages and attachments in your device. The scanning time depends on the size of WhatsApp data. Step 4. When the scan is completed, you can preview WhatsApp messages and attachments. The deleted WhatsApp data will be marked in red color. Select the WhatsApp chats that you've lost and click Recover button. You are able to recover WhatsApp message on Android to computer. The WhatsApp chats will be recovered as HTML file, and the attachments are restored as the original format. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share if you guys liked anything or found any value in this video. Make sure to turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one.